ESP32 development board. The ESP32 is a low-cost system-on-chip series created by Espressif systems. It's an improvement on the popular ESP8266 that is widely used in Internet of Things projects. The ESP32 has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, which make it an all-rounded chip for the development of Internet of Things project and embedded systems in general. Now, in this course, you will learn how to get started with the ESP32 and learn how to use it to scan Wi-Fi hotspots, control LEDs, buttons, sensors, or get sensors reading on a web page, along with other examples. This course will equip you with the basic knowledge that you will need when working on your ESP32 projects in the future. Now, some of the main specifications for the ESP32. When it comes to the chip specifications, you will find that it has a dual core, which means that it has two processors. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. You don't have to plug in any USB dongle to enable Wi-Fi or get a module. It runs 32-bit programs. The clock frequency can go up to 240 MHz and it has a 512 kilobyte of RAM. This particular board has 30 or 36 pins, 15 in each row. It also has wide variety of peripherals available, like capacitive touch sensors, analog digital converter, digital to analog converter, universal asynchronous serial communication modules, SPI, I2C, and much more. This board comes with built-in Hall effect sensor and built-in temperature sensor. So this board is all what you need to get started in no time in the Internet of Things world. Now, to start programming this board, you will need a software or a programming environment. You can simply use the Arduino IDE, which we are going to do in this course. It's a very easy to use software and most people are familiar with it, and even if you are not familiar, it's the easiest software to use when you want to program ESP boards. There is also a software, Espressif IDF software. It's basically an Internet of Things development framework that they provide for their boards. There is also MicroPython, JavaScript, or Lua. The one that we are going to use in this course is Arduino IDE. It requires some adjustments to install the ESP library, but everything will be explained in details in a separated section where you will learn how to download and install the required libraries for different ESP boards and the right steps to do so. Now, to prepare your board for the Arduino IDE, there is an add-on for the Arduino IDE that allows you to program the ESP32 using that platform. The very same platform that you can use to program Arduino can also be used to program ESP using Arduino programming language. So it's out of the box and ready for you to use. In the next lesson, we are going to explain the ESP32 pin out, how many pins are there, how to recognize each pin function, and which pin to use when you want to connect input, output, PWM signal, or sensor. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.